So when you're trying to get a door to shut, the door has to be square. If you look at this door and this wall, see how floppy this is? It's no good. And when the door swings out this way, about halfway to being closed, it won't even try to close. I've got this side tacked together pretty solid. It's considerably better, but this door has to be squared. So what you do is measure from the top corner down to the bottom corner of the side that you need to, of the door side, to bring it in. And I'll put this come along on here. I've already measured it. It's 125 inches from the top of the latch side to the bottom of the hinge side. And so I've got this come along on here. It's 127 inches from the top of there down to where I got this little chain hoist. So I'm going to have to bring it in 2 inches to get this door square so that it'll close like I want it to.